Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm going to do a talk through makeup tutorial. I'm going to show you step by step on how I achieve this gold, I guess you can say it's a cut crease, eye look using one eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off by using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I like to use this as a eyeshadow base, so I'm going to start underneath my eyebrow. Next, I'm just going to blend out the concealer using my e.l.f. concealer brush, just so that I can have a nice clean canvas to start off my eyeshadow look. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is from a brand called Born Beautiful Cosmetics. I'll leave their Instagram link in the description box below. But this eyeshadow palette right here is called Metamorphosis, and I'm going to be using the shade Empress. It's like a terracotta color. I'm going to use this color to go into my crease area to start off this eye look. Also, I'm using the same brush that I always use. It's the Morphe M441 brush. Next, I'm going to use the shade Black Pearl. This is just a black eyeshadow. I'm going to go into my crease area, more so towards the outer corner of my eye, just to darken up the eye look here. Next, I'm going to take this Warm Honey concealer and go into my crease area with the concealer before I apply the next eyeshadow. For the lid color, I'm using the shade Golden Wing. This is just like a gold shimmer eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this to place it on my eyelid. Okay, so right here I went back in with that black eyeshadow just to darken up and blend out the gold shimmer eyeshadow. For lashes, I'm using some lashes from the same brand, and these are in the style called Pressure. So I'm going to apply my eyelashes really quick here. Okay, for the face, I'm just going to color correct using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Orange Corrector. So this is just me right here applying the orange corrector before my foundation.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
For foundation today, I'm using my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation, which is my favorite. This is in the shade Nutmeg. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm using this shade to highlight my face. contour, I'm using my favorite Black Radiance concealer in the shade Dark. I think this is the HD Corrector concealer from Black Radiance, and this one is in the shade Dark. And I like to blend out my contour using the e.l.f. stipple brush. To blend out my concealer, I like to use a damp beauty sponge. Usually I use the e.l.f. concealer brush, but today I'm just going to use my beauty sponge to blend out my concealer. Next, to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Airspun powder, which is in translucent. So this is just me setting my concealer. To contour, I like to use this brown eyeshadow from the crayon case, Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I like to use that brown eyeshadow to contour. So I use that same brown eyeshadow to kind of bring some color back into my nose. And to darken that up a little bit, I like to use this really dark brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Next, I'm going to go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to, well, I've been doing this lately. I don't know why, but it just looks, I like the way it turns out. So I'm just going to take a little bit more concealer and just apply it on the bridge of my nose and then under my eyes.
Okay, Trey, I got this.
Next, to finish off my eye look, I'm just taking a black eyeliner pencil. I think this is from Nicka K, I believe. It's just a regular black eyeliner. For a highlighter today, I use the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, which this is like the one that I always use. I think it's like the gold one, so I use that to highlight today. To finish off the look, I went for like a nude lip color, but the lip liner that I used, it kind of turned out a little bit dark. So this is me here like patting over my lips with the brush that I use for my foundation. And I added gloss. I could barely get the gloss out, so this is me like struggling to get some lip gloss out. So yeah, I just went for like a nude glossy lip. Okay, so I lied. I'm gonna finish off the look by drawing on some fake moles. So yeah, and then also too, I darkened up my wing eyeliner because it kind of got messed up when I was applying concealer. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished look. This is like a really easy gold wing eyeliner look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, more makeup tutorials. I will see you guys in my next video.